Hi folks, this is Al with BaumBuilds.com. If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in purchasing the Fabricated parts kit for the Drift Trike Industrial. The Drift Trike Industrial is a unique drift trike with an industrial look. Constructed from all flat steel, you weld it together. Now here we are at the shop. Let's go inside and see what we get when purchasing a kit. You may have already purchased the build plans for the Drift Trike Industrial and have decided that a build kit is the right choice for you. Well, you've come to the right place. This is the Fabricated parts kit for the Drift Trike Industrial. All other kits offered online through eBay or other sites are not authorized and their parts may not go together properly. Don't have the build plans, but you already know you want to build the Drift Trike Industrial using the kit? No worries, the build plans are included when you buy the kit and will be available for immediate download upon purchase. Your kit is available in 6 different design themes. The design theme is the decorative cutouts in the middle of many of the pieces. In this case we're showing circles, but also available are clubs, diamonds, hearts, spades, or hexagons, so you can choose your design theme. Note that BaumBuilds provides CNC plasma cut parts, and some deburring or cleanup of the parts will be required. Also note that the parts will be coated with a light oil to minimize rusting, although some minor surface rust might be present. Sanding, degreasing, and painting are all the responsibility of the builder. Of course, you can customize your paint job as you wish. You can add flames, stripes, skulls, pinstripes, your favorite sports team logos, military logos, camouflage, business logos, etc. It can be powder coated, metal flake, clear coat, or you can show off your airbrush skills. Now, once you weld the pieces together from your kit, the result is a weldment shown here. Now, the kit will not be welded together. It'll be in pieces just as you see. You must weld it yourself, which of course building it is all the fun. Now please also note that the kit does not contain all components necessary to build the complete trike. It only contains these fabricated parts. You will also need to purchase many other components such as axles, wheels, motors, etc. Now these components are fully identified in the build plan with supplier part numbers and all the information you need to purchase these parts separately. You will be given a paper checklist or a BOM shown here with your shipment. Use this checklist to ensure that you have received all the parts in the appropriate quantities. Once shipped, you will be emailed a tracking number to monitor your shipment. Your kit will arrive in one cardboard package in the approximate size shown, about 60 by 24 inches. Approximate weight will be about 65 to 70 pounds. A signature will be required to confirm that you received your package. Be sure to visit BaumBuilds.com to see all my inventions, all the build plans that are offered, all the kits that are offered, and what's next in the pipeline. Thanks for watching.